I'm not particularly good at playing this instrument, a Kazakh dombra, but Aldaspan band is very good at it. Even more so, they're actually the ones who invented it. It was the idea of Nurzhan Toishy, their frontman. In the old time, sheep casings were used to make dombra strings. Then, during the Soviet era, Ahmet Zhubanov, a renowned Kazakh composer, replaced them with nylon strings, which made the dombra sound louder, deeper and richer. Then, several years ago, Nurzhan Toishy installed two metal strings from an electric guitar and all this equipment. And so we got the electric dombra. This is quite a unique instrument, with its own national eigentone. Electric dombra can be played in a regular way, like an ordinary dombra, like this. But it can also produce a very different sound. It is very close to rock sound. Aldaspan band, that will perform at the Spirit of Tengri festival, will be playing these electric dombras. For more news, please visit www.en.tengrinews.kz.